We are Geek for Immigration. I'm Forrest. This is Xun. I also work with Xun Liu and Jin Thakur. We're proud that we are a team of immigrants, and we all go through the journey of immigration. We know each journey is at the same time is a project, and it is a rapport. And currently, the immigration projects are managed, collaborated, and tracked in fragmented Excel spreadsheet, law firms, SaaS system, and even papers. Why don't we build something so that we can collaborate, manage, and even open source immigration in GitHub style? So this is our solution. So if we go to our app, we have the cases. We look at the demo cases. This is me. And you see this is the code or the documentations for immigration process. And each commit can be major uploads or update of narratives and documentation. And you can have issues. I have a few issues, for example, with certain evidence. And for request, it can be a lawyer review, mentor recommendation. Actions can be call for action for missing items. And this is really cool. This gives a very vivid graphic of what is missing, and we need to focus on the next step. So basically, we not just manage and collaborate. We're all founders, we all know GitHub, and we can definitely do a better job with our technology knowledge to manage it in a GitHub style, and also I can do it. Okay. But also, this is so cool. I built a chatbot. You can ask anything about my case. For example, I can ask those who use family and families to actually go through the procedures to find out the legal status. And we believe this is a solution for us to better process, not just manage, collaborate, and even open source, because we can force. And I hope we can help all the immigrant founders here.
All right, thanks so much. Good.
Thank you. Any questions or suggestions?
So, who are actually your customers?
Okay.
How?
So, in this country, the sky is the limit. Everyone, all the immigration applicant, lawyers, like use GitHub. As long as it helps your case, not just manage, track, and even open source it to benefit the whole community.
Yeah, that is a great idea, but in my opinion, and what I'm trying to suggest is that having a niche of your customers would really help you, because you're saying lawyers are also your customers. I'm not sure if there will be comfort adopting this and putting their commits onto the Git for immigration, right?
Of course, this will help the lawyers. This can be both sides. Lawyers can use it to make their case management better, and also they may think, well, we have our system, definitely they may resist, but again, if it's better than what they're using, definitely it will help their clients. And that's actually the motivation for us, because we are all immigrants ourselves. We all go through the procedures and engage in AI with the technology, especially the more founders and technologists. GitHub is very inspiring for us to find better ways to make immigration better in this country.
It's a similar question, but if you're part-time lawyers, why did you decide to give help to immigrants and not Google Drive for immigrants?
Okay. Yeah, that's a very good question. Because Google Drive is great, but can it open source? That may be challenging for Google to have a large overhaul of their system. But we already have inspiration from GitHub. Dorothy has all the features that lawyers, immigrant applicants, all love it. And one most important thing is open source. Because we are a technology community, we open source to generally share our knowledge. And this is how we can be a better community.
Wouldn't some of these documents have like important information that would be open source?
This is the greatest question. We are all users of GitHub. We have all the sensitive information in our GitHub files, like API keys. We're always smart enough to have .env and .env file to have solutions to this the same idea. Definitely, because of legal framework, probably there are compliance, but definitely there's something we don't. I found a solution because we're all reading.